And this is Mia drinking some milk, huh, Mia? Or Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. This is Kelsey drinking milk. Is that good milk? Okay. So on cue, Kelsey, these two. Yeah.
What am I doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? Oh, you're not supposed to have that cup out of the kitchen. Can you put it back, please? Kelsey? We need to clean up the mess you made. Can we go get a towel? Yeah, you made a mess with the milk. Can you go get a towel?
Okay, I did it.
Where's the towel?
Okay.
No, that's not gonna work.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's get a towel. Love you, Kels. Can you blow me a kiss? Can you blow me a kiss, Kelsey? Kelsey? Can you blow me a kiss? Stop, Kelsey, please. Are you gonna blow me a kiss or no? We need to clean up the mess you made.